Stop letting the world think for you. It's 11:47 p.m. You told yourself you'd watch just one video. 45 minutes later, you're emotionally invested in a stranger reorganizing their refrigerator and comparing your entire life to someone who owns matching storage containers. We've all been there. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your mind is being shaped every single day by what you watch, what you fear, and what you repeatedly believe. Paul writes in Romans chapter 12, verse 2, "And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind." Notice the context. Paul doesn't drop this command to earn God's love. He places it after 11 chapters detailing God's immense grace and mercy. This is about how you respond once you've already received it. So stop being molded. To conform means to be pressed into a shape, like clay pushed into a mold, and the world hands us molds constantly, such as look like this, buy this, fear that, pretend you have everything together. Meanwhile, you're sitting on the couch eating cereal for dinner, wondering why your life doesn't look like a luxury documentary. Paul doesn't tell you to move into a cave and disconnect from Wi-Fi. He says don't let the world become your master. You can live in the world without letting the world shape you. So allow true transformation. Paul commands us to be transformed, a deep change from the inside out. True transformation happens when you let God change what is happening inside. You can smile politely while your heart runs a full courtroom drama, or say, "I'm blessed," while secretly panicking. God isn't interested in a spiritual filter for your old life. He wants to transform your thinking, your desires, and your identity. So, renew your mind. How does transformation happen? By the renewing of your mind. Your mind gets tired and dramatic. One unanswered text can trigger a 12-part mental documentary called "Everyone Hates Me." Renewing your mind means letting God's truth replace those controlling thoughts. Like, the world says, "You are what you accomplish." God says, "Your identity is in me." Or, the world says, "You're alone." God says, "I will never leave you." Worry isn't proof that God abandoned you. It's a signal you're carrying something meant for Him. Bring those thoughts to Scripture and prayer. Little by little, the old lies lose their authority. So discover God's will. People often treat God's will like a hidden treasure map, demanding instant answers before lunch. But Romans 12 verse 2 reveals that discerning God's will begins with becoming a person whose mind is renewed by God. The closer your thinking comes to Scripture, the clearer your desires become. His will isn't just about finding the right decision, it's about becoming a person who trusts Him in every decision. It is good, pleasing, and complete. Application for this week. Ask yourself 3 quick questions. 1. What is shaping my mind most right now? Is it Scripture, fear, social media, or opinions? 2. What specific thought do I need to bring under God's truth today? 3. What does obedience look like today? Setting a boundary, forgiving someone, or going to bed before midnight instead of watching a restoration video about a rusty lawnmower. That last one might just be for me. You don't have to let culture, fear, or your past define you. Whatever shapes your mind will eventually shape your life. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.